Hey, what's up, guys? It's Gatie Trades here. Highly requested video. Okay, what's up, guys? It's Gatie. Yo, what's up? NFP day. Okay. What's up, Marlon? What's up, Zach? Leaning towards higher prices, but I haven't looked at the intraday chart yet. Open up the account. How's everyone doing? Did anyone take a trade yet? Got the 1-minute chart and 15-second chart open. Yeah. about 900. So you're risking 150 per trade. The 150. Hmm. 150 per trade is, what is that? 75 points or 32 points with 2 micros. Probably what we're going to be doing. Drop down to the daily. We took previous day's low. I'd probably want to see a retracement now as ES hasn't came into this fair value gap. Look at the 4 hour. Yeah, I'd expect the buy side maybe more of an hourly fair value gap. Relative equal highs. About these highs. Fair value gap there. Could wait for price to come to a discount and then maybe move higher. Your NFP candle. Those relative equal highs. It's SMT on for ES. How trade copier works, it's automatic with Top Step. It's just, so this is the leader account. These are the 4 follower accounts. The second I put an order in on one, it'll just automatically connect it to the other 4. So it's automatic. If you're using Top Step X. If you're not using Top Step X, any trades? No, sure. Then you gotta get a trade copier. If you're on TradeVit, you gotta get it. You just gotta get a trade copier. You can get, I think Replicanto is probably the best one. Any trades? No, sir. I just started. I'm waiting until 9:30 at least. I don't think I'll take anything pre-market. So we're trading above the daily fair value gap high right now. First 100K and 50K. Ah, beautiful, man. Beautiful. That might be me, Mel. I'm gonna risk 150 for the next 4 trades, but if we go on a losing streak, we're gonna have to start from scratch too. But hopefully not. Hopefully we can fight out a drawdown. I've been in worse drawdown and made it out. Anyway, so these relative equal highs. So to find a setup here. Yeah, it happens, bro. It happens. There's a wick here. 10-minute fair value gap. Mostly I would just be waiting for a discount. So yeah, this looks just like a London reversal, right? Accumulated, take out London lows, and then reverse, retrace, continue. Just based on the profile alone, that's what it looks like. I think I'm getting sick. I have a sore throat, but like no other symptoms. But I've had the same sore throat for so long. It's annoying. Yeah, that's 50K. It's okay, bro. It happens. The thing is, bro, with trading is like you can be really good. It's so easy to make a mistake that leads you to a losing trade or transaction. Like if you mess up your stop loss, your partial, or you just missed like one thing, then it's tough. What's up, Solomon? I know, man. Trust me, I know that feeling. Give me a 10K equity edge account for $24? You do it, bro. Yeah, if you don't have $24, man, I'm gonna be real with you. You need to build up some money first. Anyway, today's goal is to simply survive. Simply survive NFP. Imagine not shorting. Shorting what? We have relative equal highs. We could come down here. Yeah, I can see what's going on, gold. Good morning, bro. We took out the buy side. Oh, we didn't? No, we took out the buy side. I would expect, I mean, it's pretty hard. It's pretty consolidated. We took out previous week's high and previous week's low. Look at the daily chart. Yes, not much is happening, to be honest. We just rallied up and now we're undoing the entire move. I mean, could make a run for sell side now that we took out buy side. Like we could run to here. There's an open fair value gap there. 4-hour chart saying we have relative equal lows. We could come for data low, I guess. Probably, whoops. I would probably expect it to come to here. Invert this fair value gap. Came back. Use it as resistance. Touch this fair value gap. What's up, Mohammed? And use this fair value gap. And it looks like we're gonna come to data lows. Should be profiting at 50% though. So like I guess yeah, after we took out the highs, broke down, retraced. That's your first entry. Change the state of delivery. Break your block. Very choppy. Nonetheless, it played out. Balanced price range up here, so you shouldn't come up here. That high is safe. Broke down once more, retraced. And now it looks like it's coming to data lows. I would expect this low to get taken, and maybe even this low, because they're pretty relatively equal. Also an imbalance here. Price could go there. Price could definitely go there. As for NQ, we can check back on gold in a bit and see if it plays out. Pretty early here. The game plan. Well, we're trading above midnight open. TGIF is already met. That's the thing. We already met TGIF. Unless we go back down. What's your bias? I'm gonna be more patient here. I don't have a strict bias yet. We did leave these relative equal lows, and it's being made jagged over here, so maybe we could see a move lower. That's like the most basic thing I could say. The daily chart's not that clear, right? I'd expect ES to make a move towards the fair value gap that it left open, simply because we took previous day low into this fair value gap, which is a discount. It's not even a discount actually, but NQ isn't a discount, so we didn't even fill up the rest of the fair value gap. So let's look at the monthly candle wick. Yeah, I don't think we're at 50%. We did trade to previous month's low and went up from there. So it's possible we see like some higher prices, maybe towards this volume imbalance, maybe towards previous day high. Do you use MMXM? I mean, everything is really MMXM. You should have it in your mind. You don't have to trade it like the stage one, the low risk buy or sell, right? Second stage reaccumulation. You don't have to trade it that specific way. I'd probably expect it to go to previous day's high. That's kind of what I'm leaning towards. Thursday's high. In terms of actually taking a long though, we're gonna need to see something like maybe we come into the fair value gap here. Do we have any more news today? What's up, Imad? What's up, Felix? What's up, Amit? Do we have any more news? 11 a.m. Waller. Okay, whatever. Yeah, the nice 15-minute in discount. It's pretty nice. I don't know if we can get there, but let's see. What's up, Jello? T1 Netflix. T1 News on MFFX at 10:30. What? What are you talking about, bro? What's up, Nicole? How are you, my brother? 8:30. Yeah, we had the 8:30 news. We have 11 a.m. news as well. This guy's gonna start speaking, but that shouldn't make a difference, really. Yeah, you get the account breach. You can't trade. You can't trade NFP. It's the same for most accounts. You thought it was 10:30? No, you're good. You're good. Maybe there's a time difference. Um, yeah, so we're simply gonna be waiting for price to come back down, and we're probably gonna go long. I wouldn't mind playing both sides. If we get accumulation and we manipulate higher, I wouldn't mind taking a short towards maybe the 15-minute fair value gap. However, this price range is all balanced, which I don't like because it might have trouble going there. But I mean, these relative equal lows. So goosebumps. I wouldn't mind playing both sides. Quick trades, but let's see. Let's be a little patient. So far, longs have been primarily profitable. Oh, sorry, man. How are you, my brother? Four-hour bear shorter block. Yes, that is a 4-hour bear shorter. Although we're deep, actually, yeah, that is a 4-hour bear shorter block. You're right. You are right. And the 50% of that wick. Although I'm still leaning towards higher prices. Down to NFP Gamble Cent charging Forex paper trade. Hey man, we'll take it. You know, I saw this TikTok the other day and the guy was like, guys, trust me. I'm gonna post this now. Uh NFP is gonna go green on gold. It's gonna go up on gold. Did it go up on gold too? Yeah, he's like it's gonna go up on gold. It's gonna go up on. Look at that. So that low is gonna get taken. Up on gold. Up on indices. I was like, you know what? I wonder if this guy's right. Well, turns out he was right. Turns out he was right. Yeah, we back this 15 minutes should be. So we just took out the buy side here. Yeah, I'm thinking about getting new chart colors. What do you guys think? Someone just recently asked me for my chart colors. Hey, where's my... Put that back up there. I feel like when I change the chart colors, it makes me like more focused. Does that make sense? I seen a similar reel sitting bullshit when the guy gets absolutely smashed and he edits the signal. Oh shoot. Yeah, they just do that. There's so many ways, man. People fake. You know, one of the common ways. So there's people who like know how to trade but like don't really like. So imagine I was trading and every time like I took a fair value gap for example, right? On one account I would go long, on the other account I would go short, and I'll simply just post the winning one, you know? Taking a fair value gap for example. Some people do that. It's really annoying, really stupid. So Gary. So opening range gap low, or this opening range. Are we gonna open higher or lower than 1890? 1868. It's gonna be a premium gap. So we closed here. Put that over here actually. The lines are getting crazy. Mm-hmm. So like I said, yeah, so we had that raid, aggressive displacement down. We formed a fair value gap here. You could potentially target those relative equal lows. There as a minimum. 2R is awful though. Not even 2R. That'd be your first partial. And target the minor sell side. I wouldn't be surprised if 930 has another manipulation leg. And then we can trade that. So far we respected the whole fair value gap, so we don't need to go any higher. We could come back, trade into the SIBI low. That's probably what I'd want to see. So this is the SIBI we're trading inside of. You see we filled the rest of it, so it's like this. That's the SIBI. We're above midnight opening. Above 830. Longs have been primarily profitable. I'm just gonna flip between these charts just to see. Like, I want to trade here. I want to trade here. What's up, Hulu? How are you, brother? Well, you know what? Let's not do that. Let's just mark it up here. I mean, the lines starting to piss me off. There's a lot of lines, but it is what it is. What's ES doing? Is there an SMT? Almost. Oh, there kind of is. We fell short one tick. There's no SMT. Fine, fine. Stay safe today. NAP Fridays aren't the best. Yeah, they're not the best. I usually wait for 10 a.m. Silver Bullet. We did not take out this high. We do have an SMT. No, we don't actually. We could see a manipulation higher at 9:30 and then lower. Wouldn't mind that. Would not mind that. So there's that inversion. Fair value gap tapped in. Relative equal lows. So many levels here. It's starting to piss me off. He's on his evil villain shit. Good, good. I can't wait to watch that after. What I need. Yo, let me ask you guys, how many people are in here right now? I want to ask you guys, would you guys rather me just show the top step? The top step? If you mark something on top step, does it stay the next day? Or would you guys rather me show the trade of it, trading view? Trading view is kind of nice. I can mark all these levels. It's getting very hectic. New day opening gap, high, just tapped in. Bullish bias. Yeah, I want to see lower than higher. So I want to see, can we get into here? Trading view, trading view. One person said top step. I trade all my markups on top step X. To be honest, I like the top step chart itself. Yo, do you know, Eric, can you compare NASDAQ and ES on top step side by side or no? Because from what I've seen, you can't. You can only open up. Maybe I don't know how to do it though. You can. I don't know how to do it. I'm assuming you can because that would make no sense that you can't. But I don't know how to do it. I have one is open, checking the S&P and everything. Yeah, I have two, but once I change one of the windows, it changes on both screens. You know what I'm saying? It changes on both screens. Oh, you mean you open another top step tab? The bias is bearish. I want to see lower and then higher. Currently, I want to see lower prices right now. Yeah, I want to see it go lower right now. The Bernadette premium, 15-minute fair value gap here. There is an hourly breaker there. We're forming the hourly fair value gap, so I wouldn't mind longing the hourly fair value gap. We just wait for some structure, take a long in the hourly fair value gap. If you have an SMT at the high, though, it's not a bad short. So we took out that high. We have a higher time frame SMT. I want to see this candle not take out this high. Mark out our opening range gap. Yeah, and these levels are starting to piss me off. I might just have to delete one of them. Yeah, I think this is gonna sink. So now we have this SMT. We have an SMT higher time frame at the 15-minute CB. If ES gives an inversion here, I wouldn't mind shorting to these equal lows. Bro, what is these? Like, I can't trade like this, bro. These levels are pissing me off. Daily fair value gap high. Day opening gap, Tuesday low, TGIF 20%, and dog high. whatever. There's not much I can do. They're all kind of important. I want to see how price responds. Like so far, we tapped into the opening range low. We hit 50% opening range, not the high. This is a reclaimed bearish fair value gap off the 15-minute SIBI. Bro. Wait a minute. That's my one Trade account. I think we go lower here. Oh, what is this? Did I seriously sign into? Okay, let's see. Yes, not going lower, so. You have it all on one tag? You gotta show me, bro. I don't know how to do it. Look, yeah, it looks like we are going lower. Yeah. Took out the lows there, so. Yeah, very nice. So 15-minute fair value gaps here. It's at the daily fair value gap conflict with encroachment, and Thursday's low will be trading from up to down. So if we're gonna stay above it, then you would want to see us roughly equal lows there too. So this is, I think price could potentially come here. I would not mind taking a long from there. Let's see. ES did not give the confirmation. Trading into a 15-second. Nice, bro. Actually, price. That's an amazing trade, bro. Nice. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful trade. Right? If you shorted that SMT, yeah, that's beautiful, man. Tapped into the order block right there. Nice 175 ticks. This looks like it can distribute lower. 15-second fair value gap tapped in. Inversion. 1 minute immediate rebalance. This looks like it's gonna go lower. For sure. But I would not trade this. Yes, didn't inverse anything. Mitigation here. The immediate rebalance was really strong. M5 OB. Yeah, that is M5 OB. I don't like how it looks though. SMT at the highs here. So we're gonna be waiting, right? NFP, we're gonna be waiting. I think we'll just wait for some structure. Let this hourly fair value gap form. Right? If we do come into the 15-minute, I'm pretty sure that would be an hourly immediate rebalance. No, it wouldn't. Could be. Just watching these candles on the 1-minute chart. Back into the M15 SIBI. See. Opening range gap high hasn't been taken yet. It's right here. 19.7. Maybe I make all my end dogs orange. What do you guys think? Make all the end dogs orange? Maybe that cleans things up a bit. First time using MNQ today, what's your normal entry? Do you pyramid in? If I wish I could, but no, I don't. I'm in drawdown, so I'm gonna be probably taking 2 or 3 micros, and that's it. Rejection block H4, possibly. Where's the rejection block? Rejection block's up here. Are you talking about ES? This is your rejection block. Right here. That's your swing high. So this is your high, rejection block, order block. There's no fair value gap. And then you have a breaker in there. Here, it's pretty ugly. You think NFP look at taken? That's hard to say. It's hard to say right now. I couldn't predict that right now, to be honest. Because we're gonna form an hourly fair value gap. So I think what I'm gonna look for is a signature that we're gonna respect this hourly fair value gap. So in doing so, we would probably be tapping in to the daily fair value gap consequent encroachment and Thursday, Wednesday's old low. And then yeah, there is a 15-minute fair value gap here, so it'll kind of dictate if we inverse the 15-minute, then yeah, we're definitely coming out for these relatively equal lows. Could come into the daily volume imbalance once again. I believe we traded into it, yeah, the other day. There's a daily volume imbalance there. If you can't see, oh, this daily volume imbalance. Yeah, so we could go lower. Kind of just waiting for the 15-minute time frame. So we predicted these shorts pretty good. There's your first fair value gap. I'm not going to mark it up. Ah, fuck it, let's mark it up. So we are almost at the 15-minute fair value gap, the bullish fair value gap. Let's mark that up. Being busy. That's your first presentation of a fair value gap. ES is not even moving. First FEG. Yeah, I'm honestly, guys, I'm thinking about getting a notepad because this is atrocious. Atrocious. It's going for data lows. Possibly, yeah. Let's see how it uses this 15-minute fair value gap. If we trade below it, I wouldn't mind shorting this. Would I mind shorting that? That's how we react after 15-minute. That was a nice sell there. Called that sell pretty nicely. It might go for data lows. I mean, longs have been profitable the entire day. I wouldn't short this now though. It's, I mean, this is your, so you have your smart money reversal, first stage accumulation, and now your second stage potentially. So this is your smart money reversal. Shorted from 930. Nice, bro. Yeah, that was a nice short. Yeah, I was thinking about it a little bit early. Your second stage reaccumulation is right there. And this is your original consolidation. So it could come into here. Yeah. Pretty nice buy sell model. Yeah. I don't like trading at 9:30 open as well on NFP. I like to wait for 10. Most days I would lose. I don't like trading before 10. Usually I'm waiting for the opening range. It looks like we might get a nice long though. We're gonna get an SMT at data lows. So we're gonna get a potential buy model here. Gay son or thought daughter? Bro, I guess my daughter is shaking ass, bro. I don't know. But we're gonna get the SMT. Let's see if we can come daily fair value gap low right there. Right here. You gotta figure out what it is. So is it your stop loss? Is it your timing? Is it your entry? If you took a short here, your stop loss would have to be at this high if you took the low risk sell, or if you took it at the second stage, right? And you could take this order block. Based on her daughter? Yeah, bro. My daughter's shaking ass, I guess. It is what it is. It's not ideal, but tapped into the rejection block there. We're not going to mark that up. So we're going to have an SMT. She's straight at least. Yeah, I'm just going to have to go with that option, guys. Why did I ask that question, but I got to go with that option. It's just me, bro. That's just me. The first fair value gap hasn't been tapped into yet. Opening range gap high has not been tapped into. We have a potential setup here for TGIF 20% and 30%, which overlaps with the new day opening gap from September. So I think we can get a pretty good long here. Yeah, I'm not saying the rejection block's gonna work. I'm just pointing it out, and I'm gonna watch and see, you know. ES hasn't tapped into the 15-minute fair value gap yet, so let's give it a chance. See if it wants to get in there. And then maybe from there we go higher with the SMT. So 15-minute fair value gap. That's my prediction right now. As of right now, right, I think we're gonna have an SMT at these lows. And while that SMT forms, ES will tap into the 15-minute bullish fair value gap. And then from there we could potentially go lower. I mean higher, sorry. I'm just waiting to see, can we go lower, take out the data low, form an SMT at data lows, which case ES would tap into the 15-minute bullish fair value gap, and then we could take a long targeting these relative equal highs, which was your initial initial buy side right here, and then maybe even get into the opening range gap high, or TGIF 30%, which kind of overlaps with the org high and then the opening gap high from September 4th. That would be a good long. So let's see if this can form. Be waiting for that. Maybe the macro will deliver something nice. I wouldn't mind taking a short here and then a long. We like retrace and then form a confirmation. Would not mind that. We have an SMT at the first fair value gap. Actually, no, this is the first fair value gap here. This is your mitigation low. That's your fair value gap. Honestly, can we get into there and then break down? We just tapped into the 3-minute. 5 minutes about to be tapped in. We left those relative equal lows. So I would not mind taking a short here if it forms. It can take the high. I think ES wants to, NQ wants to maybe come into here first presentation. Fair value gap. Probably wouldn't short this unless we did come into up into here because like I don't want to put my stop loss up here. You know? So smart money reversal. Like see, I don't trade the MMXM model, but I know that it's happening, right? Original consolidation, first stage accumulation, second stage reaccumulation, consolidate, smart money reversal at the right time, 9:30. This is your low risk sell. First stage accumulation. Second stage redistribution is fast reaccumulation. One minute FAG long? Nah, that's not my long, brother. Taking too many longs off this rejection block before. I don't like it. I want to see EF come into the 50-minute fair value gap. Think that there's still a lot of room for lower. And if it just goes up from here, It is what it is. This 15 minutes busy on ES is kind of what I'm targeting right now. If we get an SMT like this, I don't mind shorting that. Did we rebalance the hourly fair value gap? Yeah, immediate rebalance there on the hourly. We closed above the 15-minute fair value gap. Interesting. Very interesting. So we wicked, rebalanced the hourly, closed above the 15-minute. So yeah, you know what? It might not go any lower. It might not. We tapped into the 15-minute rejection block. Doesn't have to take out data low, but I still want to see ES come into here. So coming for sell side, I think so as well. We have an SMT right here. Let's see if we can get into this first fair value gap. I would not mind shorting this if there was a confirmation. IFG, first IFG going along. I don't think it'll inverse. Let's see. You're in ES shorts. Good luck, brother. Just don't play out. It looks good. Your thought would have to be here, in my opinion. Above this order block. I put it right here, personally. You can do the breaker. I would do it here. That's just me. You could do the breaker. You could put it at that high. You're liking this? I'm almost liking it. Yeah, the macros in 2 minutes. I think we could deliver lower. We get a bearish fair value gap here. I'll take that. Oh, you good, bro? I'm gonna take the 15-second fair value gap if it fails me. No fill on the 15 seconds. We'll take the 1 minute. Tap into the inversion there. Gonna go without us, guys. I don't think it's gonna fill us. Oh, I might wait for immediate rebalance right there. Exactly why we all realized we were saved for being old and made us reckless. I'm so glad. It's just like a movie. It's like a story. I'm gonna cancel my limit, guys. I'm gonna go without us. It's okay. Could have taken the inversion. If it comes back up and taps us, I'll that's your inversion. If it comes back up and taps us, we'll look to Look to re-enter. Honestly, 'cause I wouldn't be surprised if before we take these lows, we come out and take this high. I want to wait now, but let's see. Relative equal lows. 3-minute immediate rebalance. Yeah, this looks like a just straight sell model. We missed our fill, guys. It is what it is. I still think we can reverse this and then buy model. Yeah, I'm gonna look for the buy. Yeah, I was just shorting to my potential buying place. Let's see. Once we get the S&T there, got a lows taken. 950 macro. Just what? Perfect delivery every time. Tops back to Wednesday's low. What is one shot, one kill? Just a setup that, I mean, it's literally what it is. It's one shot, one kill. Right? You take one setup every like week, and it's a kill. It's like the idea, like like a sniper. You just take one bullet. It's like one bullet, one kill. It's like that idea. Except with trading, one trade, one kill. That's what it's called. It's just one of ICT's models. Yeah, it does look good. 1 minute for value gap there, tapped in. Could be a short. I could have shorted that if I wanted to. What's up, Diary? Hmm. I like that this was left open. It's gonna be a good target, bro, if I go long. We're gonna have a lot of confluences for this long. TGIF, the opening range gap high, first fair guy gap presentation, these equal highs. Gonna be good if it forms. I'm sad I didn't get to play the short. This would have been TP1, so let's see. It was S&T there, so I would have closed. But I still think TP smash, let's fucking go, Yusuf, bro. Such a beautiful. You just market took that, huh? That was a really good entry. You just saw that wick. You were like, I know what's gonna happen, bro. Very fucking clean, bro. Very fucking clean trade. Like, that's a beautiful trade, bro. Tried to get in here. I had a limit. It fell short like 2 points. I was on my 15-second. I was on that 15-second chart on the live too. Bro, let's fucking go. That's amazing, bro. How much did you put in your live? What, 2K? 1K? Order block, fair value gap. You could take this. 5K? Let's fucking go, man. ES is better? Why? Your breaker. You might take the inverse. Up to you. If you do, good luck to you, brother. You know what? Why do I have to mark the new day opening gaps? I don't have to mark it. Why don't I just... Oops. Or just keep orange lines and just know that it's into the opening gap. That's better. I'm not expected to go lower. I think we were traced into 2-minute immediate rebalance. 3-minute order block there. I think this dumps. I honestly wouldn't mind on the combine shorting up 15 seconds. Whatever, just let it go. It's gonna go lower. Too close to the 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Too close to those relative equal lows. I think it's gonna go lower still. Three-minute fair value gap. So that's, I would short this on the 15-second time frame, honestly, if it forms. Just a quick scalp. If I get a 15-second fair value gap here, I might take it. What's up, Adam? Stop loss at that high. Not that clean. Well, it looks clean now. SMT? Yeah, I think it'll still go lower. Though. Still think it's gonna go lower. I might scalp this on the combine. This is a combine, guys. This is a combine. This is a combine. And I'm just scalping these relative equal lows. Did not take this on my funded. And in fact, I'm going to break even now. "15-second entry there on the combine. Did not take it on the funded. Did not take the funded. How long did it take? Took me a month. ES tapped the 15-minute fair value gap. 50% of data low was taken there. All right, we're going to close that. Took a scalp there. Just 2 micros. Okay. We good week done with shorts. Nice, bro. I wanted those shorts, but yeah, I didn't get my fill. Could have taken the inversion. That's pretty hindsight though. Okay. We have an SMT. $200 just for my combine. 4-hour looks not bad for longs. Data low's taken. Yes, data low's been taken. We have the SMT. That's a 50-minute bullish fair value gap. This so far we were able to predict. Let's see if we can actually reverse. Right, so we called out earlier. We wanted the SMT at data lows, and ES tapped into the 50-minute bullish fair value gap. So I'm just going to show that real quick. 50-minute bullish fair value gap on ES. Go back to NQ. We have the SMT at data lows, and we're looking to target TGIF 20%, 30%, opening range gap high, these equal highs up here. So our first sign of the reversal is the SMT. Second sign, I want to see this inverse. It's also 10 o'clock. So let's see. Maybe that will happen in PM. I think it'll happen now if it's gonna happen. Win-win. TGIF looks nice, 20%. Look at the weekly candle. right? Weekly candle. Wait, did we just took out the TGIF levels changed? Hold on. TGIF levels changed. So TGIF 30% is exactly. Oh no, they're pretty much the same. They didn't change. Tripping. Oh yeah, we have lows here. Okay. Possible inversion 15-minute. I'm gonna look to take this inversion if it forms. That's just me. You wait for the breaker, low, high, low, low, high, high, bullish breaker. You can wait for that second stage reaccumulated. Rejection block forming. What I'd want to see is that we've put in the swing high, tap into the rejection block, and then inverse. That would be good confirmation for me. We can get back above the daily fair value gap low. Use that as support as well. See how it overlapped with 50% really nicely. That's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. The rejection block right here. We form a 1 minute bullish fair value gap here. I'll take it probably. Yeah. Buy side of the curve now. If we get the smart money reversal here. It can accumulate for a while. We could also wait for the breaker. Low, high, lower, low, high, high. This would be your bullish breaker. Yeah, I can explain gold. It's going to be after. I already talked about gold. I said I want to see it take out the lows here. I marked out these two lines. If you want to go back and watch, I marked out this low and this low. Like, I marked that out when we were like over here. Talked about how we were going to sell off towards there. We took out both those lows. Now we could potentially reverse. 1 hour trade value gap here. Yeah, is that where we went to? Yeah, we fell short. We did tap into this one. So like I said, we could reverse now. We took out the two major sell side data lows. We have relative equal highs. I'd wait for confirmation of longs. I wouldn't look to short. I'll tell you that much. It's too already low. It's too low. I'll trade NQ. I always trade NQ. AES is stronger though. You're right. Let's see. Waiting for 5-minute inversion. Yeah. This will be your chain of data delivery. Although even inverting this fair value gap is technically a chain of data delivery. So what do you guys know about that? Huh? But you can trade ES. It's fine. Tapping into the 15-second fair value gap. Sure, that can be your target. I would look to target some premium array. So look at the discounted premium of that range and look to target something around equilibrium or premium. 15-second fair value gap tapped in. Let's wait for 500, which is 500 right now. That's okay. You can wait for that. That's your confirmation. Nothing here for me yet. No confirmation. Did ES go any lower? Yeah. Yes. Get S&T at the low here. Waiting. Minute fair value gap fully rebalanced. I'm staying on the 1 minute chart here. We got the S&T at the lows. ES is bearish. If ES is bearish, then they're both bearish. Honestly, can we go higher now? Off the SMT. Could tap into the rejection block. Let's see if it holds. The X5 bullish as fuck. Yeah. Internal. I'd probably partial here and then leave a runner. I'm gonna be taking 2 micros on the combine, so tapped into the rejection block. So far, rejecting off of it. You think I'm gonna pass? I hope so too, bro. I hope you pass, bro. I would take this 15-second bullish trade value gap if it forms. I think. It doesn't look like it's forming. Never mind. Did not form. So we'll wait for the 1 minute. Wait for the 30-second. 30-second immediate rebalance. 15-second immediate rebalance. This is gonna form. I want to wait for confirmation. Rejection block is the body low at the swing high. At the swing. See how there's a swing low here? But this is the most low body. So what I want you to do is go to your settings and turn off wicks. You'll see the rejection block once you do that. If you get the 1 minute inversion on yes here, I'll take a NQ. All right, we're gonna take this, guys. On the next candle low, we're gonna take this 3 micros. $15-second fair value gap tapped in there. And yeah. That's it. Trade. 3 micros. 150 risk. Even lower our risk here, to be honest. Took the 15-second fair value gap off of that candle expansion. We did wick, but let's see. Let's see. We got the rebalance, immediate rebalance there. Could have been a little early. Could have been a little early, but let's see. We tapped into the, not really an order block actually. Let's see, guys. This down close candle could act as an order block. We put in a low for that candle. I'd want to see this act as a bullish order block. OB plus. Let's see if we can treat it like an order block. Never saw that candle, to be honest. Come on, chart. Bro, damn. 3 macros is crazy today. Yeah, maybe it is crazy. Let's see. I'm not comfortable with NFP. My win rate's pretty good on NFP. Especially 10 a.m. silver bullet. Failure to close above this candle would dictate some pretty good weakness. Like I would have wanted to see that close above. I'm tempted to stop myself here, but let's give it some chance. Let's give it a chance. Like I think we're gonna get another manipulation leg. Probably get stopped out here. Let's see. Yep, we are out, guys. We are out. So we're gonna tape read the rest of this. I should have maybe closed off of that. Should have closed off of that. What's it called? The failure to close above that candle. It should have went right there after putting a low. So I think we got another manipulation leg. But let's see what happens. Let's see. The SMT still holds. I wouldn't mind re-entering if it forms right now off the same idea. Tap into the rejection block one more time. Let's see. First, I feel like you should have waited 5 minutes to be inverse because we're respecting that FUG. I could have waited for this to be a clean inverse. Yeah, I went a little early there. Took the 15-second, expecting that it was going to keep going. Why not short the daily volume bounce underneath? No upside displacement? You're right. No upside displacement. It was early. I took an early entry. Took a bad entry. My entry idea was because these two candles were expanding, right? We already tapped into the rejection block. We have the SMT. So when this was forming and it was up here, right? I took the retracement on the 15-second. And then it kept going. But it looks like the bias just might be wrong, to be honest. Inverse the 5 minute? Yeah, you're right. I pretty much was trying to predict the inversion. No upside displacement? You're right, bro. Why not short? We have the daily volume imbalance underneath. Yeah, it could come into there. I mean, we've already tapped in. Oh, no, we haven't tapped into that volume balance. But it's too far in a discount for me to short now. I still think this reversal is going to happen. I still think it's going to happen. We get the inversion here. Well, let's see. Let's see. Disrespecting all barrier and always on 1 minute. I think we're still gonna happen too. Kind of hard to predict the inversion. Yeah, I went to the 15-second time frame, and it looked good, and I paid the price. Paid the price. $50-minute fair value gap low there. We tapped into 830 on ES, so let's see. How to tap it in for it was aligned with the BISI daily. The BISI daily? Which BISI daily? This one? Yeah, I tried to predict the inversion. That was a bad trade. But the idea was right. Let's see if it plays out now. Let's see. Get rebalance. Nope. Yeah, had to be more patient there. If I just waited for that 1 minute candle close, focus on these candles. So we went below 10 a.m. This is what the hourly candle looks like right now. We didn't take out this low. Low of day. So we could come and take out that low. Our TGIF level would change. It would be a little bit higher. Where's TGIF 30%? Oh, I guess I never marked it. Still think we could get a leg lower. Silver bullet. 15-minute fair value gap. Was invert. We'd have to like start trading above it, to be honest. We never traded to 830. 830 is right here. ES could go for the data lows. It's possible. It's just expecting the inverse busy with the wick. Yeah. Tap back in to the inversion. Right there. But you always keep it, I always keep it marked up. Really nice delivery. What is this? This is 830 open. This is your data opening price. ES closed below. Yep, ES closed below. So I probably expect ES to come to the data lows now too, which would break the SMT. Be a full buy side and sell side of the curve. Well, let's see. Oh. Low of day right here. London low, 5:30 a.m. I think I won't trade until 15 September. Gonna secure the payout. Secure it, bro. Yeah. Are you with the Apex? Yeah, because you can't trade. Oh, that's with all prop firms actually. Because you want to lower the balance, right? Yeah, bro. Relax. Take the time off. Enjoy the payout when it comes. Proud of you, brother. That was a really good short. Same scenario as yesterday. What happened yesterday? Yeah, you could just get an eval and start trading that. It's not a bad idea too. You want to buy a toss account? Yeah. The SMT here still holds. Three drives. What? How could you forget yesterday? Yesterday, like I went. What happened yesterday? Oh, yesterday when I didn't get the fill. Was that yesterday? Five silver bullet. 60 points. Nice. Remember the long SMT daily? I remember the long. There was SMT at the highs, and then it still held at the previous day high, and we went. I took a long. Like I abandoned my idea, right? Is that what you're talking about? The one where I just abandoned my idea? You got the inversion there. I'd want to see ES come back above the 15-minute fair value gap. What if we get a breaker? Oh, stopped out, the market pushed down. Yeah, I remember. I remember that, bro. That was an A+ trade, bro. The SMT was beautiful. The SMT was nice on that trade, and it played out, bro, to all levels. Yeah, that one hurt, bro. That one hurt. Still affects me to this day, bro. This NFP was definitely tradable. It's pretty much after NFP is not that bad in my opinion. Like 9, like 10 o'clock to 11. Not bad. ES did not get above the 15-minute Sibi. Last week was smoother. Last week, as in the last week of August, or last week, as in the last NFP week? Last of August. Yeah, it wasn't bad. Last week of August was not bad. ES confirmed by 1 tick inversion fair value gap. Yeah, the 15-minute one was really nice delivery. ES could go to the data lows, right? The SMT is there for now, but it might not be there on the hourly by the time it gets there. So we're just waiting to see. I'd only be interested in the long if we can displace above the 15-minute inversion. Right, and make it a reclaimed bullish fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame, trading above the daily fair value gap low, which would validate the SMT and the 10 a.m. reversal. But let's see. Yo, what's up, 11? Any trades? Yeah, I took a pretty bad long. Got stopped out. So if I take another trade, it's going to be 1 micro, because that'll count as 2 trades long. Yeah, I took a long here, 15-second chart. Why though? SMT data lows. Hey man, who's out of labs in Discord? That's Alejandro. LMAO, what's your name here? We have 4-hour market maker sell model. It's that guy. I mean, I don't really look at that to be honest. I still think we're gonna go higher. Pretty confident we're gonna go higher. We could take out data lows on ES, but we have TGIF. Like this weekly candle's max expansion. If we don't get a TGIF, I'd be really surprised if we just close around here. But yeah, ES could go for data lows. TGIF we hit, but TGIF's about to close. Like you expect it to close around 20 to 30%. It was hit, but it was just retracing. Like you expect it to retrace. You would expect it to retrace again if it takes out the low. Like look at these candles, this candle, this candle. CPS comes to data lows, and green line is data low. Mm-hmm. You can expand your TF again, but for PM. Yeah, it could happen in PM. Very possible. But I don't know. Like, you think we're just gonna keep going down and down? Well, I guess so. Shit. SMT is still there for now. So now we won't have the SMT at data lows, but we're gonna have it at the low of day. Right? So 15-minute fair value gap. That's your low of day. Let's see if ES can come into there. We did trade below 830 on ES. At this point, you'd probably expect the lows to get taken. We just had the wrong idea. Damn. ES for 12, perhaps this will sweep 5468. Yeah, that's what we have marked out here as well. Let's see. It's just like a movie. How to get funded? Hey, why my picture here, bro? One tick away from data lows there. Relative equal lows. But now that we've formed a 50-minute bearish fair value gap, we probably have to wait for this to inverse. Daily volume imbalance. Closed it. Nice, brother. Nice. Yeah, I mean, we tried to catch the short. We didn't get a fill. We did take this little short here, which was nice, but let's see. Let us see. We took out the low of day on ES as well. So no more SMT. Low of day was taken out. Even if value up there, getting old again. That part of the song. Still think this 10 a.m. candle can flip. But let's see how we react to the daily volume imbalance. High, low. 30, 10, 40, 50. We will sit here and wait. Maybe I should make a hard rule that like the only time I should go to the 15-second time frame is if we inverse on the 1 minute. Do you see the volume bounce on the daily chart? Yeah. Yeah, it's marked out right here. I'm just waiting. The only time I should go to the 15-second chart is if we inverse a 1 minute fair value gap and I don't have a limit at the inversion. I would take the limit at the 15-second fair value gap that formed. And we'll take the month's low after today's retracing daily bearish. Yes, yeah, August low. I mean, that's possible. That's a lot of movement. Into the daily bearish. Oh, once we retrace. I mean, I would want to see ES come into here. But yeah, you are right. You are right. You're right. Yeah, it's possible. Those equal lows. So if we risk 150, we're going to have 4 trades to trade with. We can't lose 4 trades. If we risk 100, we have 6 trades. 100 is tough. That's, well, 100 is 50 points, 2 micros. So we could risk 100. 50 points, 2 micros, or 3 micros with 33 points. Wait, no, each micro is 2. So 50 points was 1 micro. 33 points, 2 micros. So we're most likely just going to be doing 2 micros until we blow the account or get back above 2,000. Being reverse from this point on. If I just keep my candles like this. Guys, look how long this wick is, bro. Are you on drawdown? Yeah, we're in pretty deep drawdown. Because we were up 1,000, right? And then we were down 1,000. So I only had 1,000 to work with, and now we've lost two or three in a row. I think 3 now. Lost, win. Yeah, so 3. So you know what sucks is this is the part that sucks is like because once you go into like you're up 1,000 and then you go back to 1,000, right? That's fine. And to be honest, that was my fault. I was risking too much. Like I was on a win streak, I was feeling good. So then I lost like 3 trades and I risked like it was like I lost like 330 in 3 days each day. So which is like my max loss. So then when I was winning and I lowered my risk, it didn't make up for those losses, you know? Because then I would risk like 1 micro or 2 micro just to secure the fact that like that's where I went wrong. My risk management was bad on these accounts. I should have just had a fixed number. Like I should have just risked, for example, like 3 micros every trade from the beginning on, and just go with that, because or like a fixed number, like trying to get as close to like 150 or 200 as possible. Because like basically what happened is I increased my risk and I went on a loss streak, and then I had to decrease my risk, and then I went on a win streak, but it did not even suffice the losses, you know? Because I increased my risk and had to decrease my risk after. Like, that's what fucked me up big time on these accounts. Big time. And then also just patience. Like, I get impatient sometimes. That's like my worst thing, to be honest. I get impatient. Like, I have an idea in the market and I just get so entitled to it. Like, I'm just so like, oh yeah, this is gonna happen, blah, blah. I get so like entitled. No, I don't like imagine like, wait, what if I'm wrong? You know? So I just lose patience in that sense. That's like my 2 biggest flaws. Usually my risk management is pretty good, but I got excited. Like I saw a really good setup. This is what happened really. I was at like 1,100 or whatever. I saw a really good setup and I was like, bro, let me risk 250 on this. It's gonna be like 4R. We get a payout on this trade. Lost it. And I was like, shit. Tried again with half risk. I did half my risk the next trade. Lost. And then next trade, I was like, you know what? We can make all that back and more. So went back to the max risk. Lost. Tried making that one back. Lost. Hey, good shit, Nicole. Good shit, Nicole. I'm proud of you, brother. So into the daily volume imbalance. Bodies are respecting 50% so far. So let's see. So 0.5 is 18663. I need to follow the trend. I think reversal all the fucking time. Just sitting there waiting for reversal, right? You know what it is? I saw this like Twitter post. It's like they asked like in these models, if price reversed right here, if price were to reverse, this would be your low risk buy in the market maker buy model, right? Because it's the smart money reversal. That's the hardest part to predict. The easiest part to predict is, for example, when the breaker forms, your first stage distribution or accumulation, right? So when price breaks through here, accumulates, and then goes, that's your first stage, right? And then you have your second stage, which is the highest probability. So like my issue is I'm always going for the smart money reversal, and that's hard. So daily volume bounce low. We just tapped in right there. How much lower could this go? Previous week's low. Previous week's low. That's possible. It's a lot of down movement for one day. I'll be honest. I'd expect some sort of move higher now. Transparent, yeah, man. I'm just here to show my journey. I'm not selling anything. What if today's expansion day? You can't reverse that. Yeah, but I mean, we literally did. I mean, reversed all this. Boom. I was basically expecting this to continue. Like our original idea was price retraces. We have SMT and then continue. I don't know. I definitely have some refining to do, I think. I need to like find a systematic way to become more patient. And also a more systematic approach to my risk management. This looks like expansion day. I mean, yeah. You find that you have like a might consolidation and dump. Yeah. Midnight open is like right here. You got profit? Nope, we're down on the day. Previous week's low were pretty close. Previous week's low. I take a buy side by 5%. I'm happy with my entry and stop loss. Good job, brother. Good job, my man. Yes, the daily fair value gap is here. There's also another fair value gap here. Watching these levels. There's a good chance 1050 will retrace. Let's see. Let's just watch these candles for now. I don't know. I take a buy setup. Probably won't take another trade. We'll just try to bounce back next week. And we're going to be risking around 150 per trade. 100 to 150. So we're gonna have 4 to 6 trades. A little bit more. 660. So just came back. What happened? Not much happened. We're just waiting. We took the one loss. Now probably won't take another trade. Am I closing this squeak green? Hell no. Rejecting from weekly busy. Where did I enter? I took a long right here. 15-second entry. Not a good entry. Yeah, let's just say that. It was not a good entry. We had the SMT. Tapped into the rejection block. Went up. Took the long. Stopped out. Daily volume balance and data lows on ES seem to be the drawn liquidity. So a couple wrong things. I should have waited for more confirmation. SMT plus 15-second was not good. I take one setup a day, win or loss. That's really good, bro. That's really good. That is really good. Could have waited for more confirmation. And could have waited for, but why is there were equal lows below, right? It was SMT though. So I thought it was going to hold. ES was in a 15-minute bullish for value gap. You're on high leverage. What does that mean? ES 548, 9 for TFC is far. Weekly FEG check, brother. Yeah, this FEG got destroyed, bro. I would just go to a higher time frame. Look at the 2-minute. Wait for the 2-minute to close. That's your inversion. 2-minute fair value gap. You do something like that. I don't know, target this fair value gap or something. That's what I would do. There goes weekly busy. Yep. Well, ES is still holding, so we're gonna maybe get an SMT, but let's see. I'm gonna have to do some backtesting, more backtesting, guys, I think. Let's see if the 1050 macro retraces. Your funded account with high leverage. What does that mean, high leverage though? Like, what do you mean by high leverage? Like you get 2,000 drawdown initially to work with, and you can leverage, I don't know how many micros, how many contracts, depending how much you have in your balance. You can just click sell at any point today and you would have been profitable. 930 was the high. Thought we'd come for these relative equal highs with the org and the new day opening gap. But I guess not. It was a nice sell program. Well, like, this is the original consolidation. I thought it was going to stop there. Consolidate and then reverse. But I guess not. This is previous week's low. I'd probably expect that to get taken. So 1, 2, 3 previous week's low. It looks like price is going there. We went below the volume imbalance. Tap back in. Where do we trade to? This wick. Where the account's sitting at? Minus 400 on 3 accounts. Yeah, minus 400. My max drawdown is minus 160. So we have $660 to work with. So basically 3 to 5 trades pretty much. 3 to 5 trades. Ham, you pretty much broke even today because I took a scalp for you, so. This combine is break even. My other 2 combines, they're halfway to being passed. They're halfway to being passed. My win rate is 55% with a 1-2 hour sometimes. You can do it, bro. I believe. Thank you, brother. Eventually, we will do it. Hopefully, we can do it this time. Sometimes more, sometimes less. And speaking with 6 months of trading. Nice, bro. That's really good. That's all you need. That's very profitable. My issue is like I fluctuate from like 40 to 70. Like if I were to just stick to my model, I'd be around 60. Not that 60. I always pretty much stick to my model, but sometimes I get impatient. Sometimes I force setups that I think are there but are not there. Sometimes I manage my risk poorly, so the win rate doesn't matter if your risk is off. Like I really need to work on those things. Sometimes I don't partial. That's another big thing. I don't partial where I'm supposed to. Gold didn't retest. Yeah, bro. Didn't retest. You're right. It's gone. You sit back and you watch now. Tapped into the breaker on the 5 minute. It's not even a breaker actually. It didn't even close above. Fun crews have ruled most of them get on low level like 1 to 100. I don't know what Top Step's rule is. That's for Forex. Yes. Thank you, Levs. I don't have a model. I think the model is BS. You just click buy and sell whenever you feel like it, bro. You 50% win rate. What the hell is that, bro? One is for Forex and next is even lower. Probably think price is gonna come here. The Forex index is even lower, like 1 to 40. Yeah, maybe it's 1 to 40. I have no idea what Top Step's number is. Zero clue, brother. Zero clue. We're gonna see if we have what it takes to get into there. Don't think there's any more trades for me today, guys. GG, see you, brother. See you, my brother, man. If anyone has questions, now would be a good time to ask. But I'm probably done for the day. Don't think I'll be taking another trade. I think this is gonna go lower now. How much contracts can you do for NQ? No trade is a good trade. No trade is a good trade. You are right, bro. No trade is a good trading day. You are right about that. Not waiting for the macro. I don't think I should take another trade today. So no, not waiting for the macro. Thanks, brother. I will see you guys next week. Hopefully next week we can turn things around. I'll be doing some back testing. What I find in my back testing, I'll show you guys the journal. Um, actually, I posted it in the Discord. So if you're in the Discord, you've seen the journal. Um, worst week ever? No, not worst week ever. Wasn't that bad. We're in drawdown, so we lost. Like we lost. What are we? We're minus 400 on the week. So not the worst. Not the worst. How much contracts? I think you can do like if you start off on a brand new 50K, I think you can do five minis. Yeah, I think you can do 5 minis. And then 50 micros, therefore. Do you explain ICT video about first FFG? I edited that one. It's in my notes for a new day opening. It's in my 2024 notes. This was the first for value gap here. We never tapped in, but we did have an SMT there, so we're an SMT there. It's basically just the first imbalance that forms. So it's kind of like just an easy algorithmic reference point. A lot of the time, it'll be used multiple times throughout the day. I think it's starting to overlap with TGIF level, so maybe in PM it comes up into there. But we'll see, I guess. I guess we can wait for the 1050 macro, see what happens. But honestly, I just want to take a nap, guys. This was a shit week. I traded poorly, managed risk poorly throughout this account. I got impatient, but let's see. Large move. Probably clear these levels and we'll do them again for next week. We'll come back fresh next week. Maybe I'll get some new chart colors. Not that I believe in that, but I just want to see something new. I feel like if I see new colors, I'll be like more focused on like I'll be more focused. Chart colors helped you a lot. I feel like it would help me refocus. Appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you coming. Uh, I used to do black and orange. Fresh 50K for Monday. This week was tough. You know what? I might get one too, just in case I do blow it. That I already have one in the works. You know, might do that as well. I don't really like orange and black. Go back to the roots. What do you guys think? Back to the roots. The old fashioned. Red and green candlesticks. That's so bright. I know some people who trade with like this. How do you trade with a black? How do you trade with a black? Can't see anything. Like one would have to be white. All the borders would have to be white. And then your up close candles can be white. Down close candles can be what? What color would they be? That. That looks pretty cool. But you can't see the. This would have to be white. Text would have to be white. Lines would have to be white. We don't need those lines, I guess. That's so confusing. Yeah, talk about no distractions. Like, you literally, there's like nothing here. Like, too dark. Nah, but this is what that guy uses, right? What's his name? Is it even tradable? But did anyone trade with like this? With a black background? I don't think they do black. They do like gray or something. Yeah, it's confusing as hell. I'll mess around with it. I'll see what I can find that I like. I think I do want to change it. Hmm, I don't want it to be light. I want it to be like somewhat dark. That's pretty cool. Maybe long gold now. Honestly, yeah, maybe if there's a confirmation. Happened. What am I doing? I didn't even reach discount. You know what? Let's paper trade this. Let's win. Let's see if we can win something. Oh, 1050 macro. Did it do anything? Oh, this is hideous, bro. This is like absolutely no. No way. I used to do green and black. I don't know if I want to do it again. It is like too many people have green and black, you know? You're in gold? Good luck, brother. You're looking good. I mean, I would personally wait for a confirmation. Inversion. I wouldn't want to see a trade below that. You gotta wait for a confirmation. Good. Good. We gotta do better, guys. Gotta do better. And not. Your toolbar is too close to your buy and sell. Which toolbar? This toolbar? Yeah, you're right. That's why I shouldn't have. Like, what happened is I shouldn't have. I should have. That's where I messed up my risk management. Like, that's where I went wrong. I would say that's why my drawdown is so bad right now. Simply because like I changed up my risk management, uh, and I ended up winning some trades and losing some trades, but my losses were more because I risked more when I lost, and I risked less when I won. And then when I was in drawdown and I was risking less, right? I was losing. I was winning, but I wasn't making back my losses from when I increased. Gold is slow. It's slow. I just took one trade. It was a long. This looks so bad. It was a long at 10:07, 10:08. I took a long here. I thought this was gonna inverse because of the 15-second time frame. We had a bullish value gap come up into here, so I bought the retracement. That same retracement was this wick, respecting the body and the order block right here. So very bad trade. Should have waited. Had I waited literally 15 seconds, I would not have taken that trade. But I got impatient. I was chasing the bag, and I ended up paying the price. I'll admit I wouldn't have ended up shorting. I would have been at 0 trades, which is a lot better than 1 loss. Holy shit! What the fuck is gold? This is how it moves all the time. Just goes. Oh, it's 11 a.m. news. See gold. Yeah, wow, wow. Tapped into OTE. PP1 right there. Boom. Where does one put their stop loss trail to? I don't even fucking know. PP2. You can leave a runner for the high. That's what I would do. Yeah, the high is good. 1.5, that's pretty solid. I'm gonna have to do a lot of back testing, guys. I'm gonna do a lot of back testing. Mm-hmm. Gold delivered nicely. This also delivered nicely. We're gonna need new chart patterns, colors. Well, I think I'm done for today, guys. If anyone has any questions, how do I delete the remove color? You're up 8K? Nice, bro. Nice. Proud of you, my man. Proud of you. We could just do red and green, bro. This honestly doesn't look bad. Thanks. Got you, bro. You know what? I'm glad somebody won. I'm glad somebody won. Red and green doesn't look too bad. Order and positions alignment? What does that mean? Hold on. Let's take a paper trade and see what that means. Oh, that's what that means. Taking along here? No, probably not. I'd expect retracement. I honestly would, but I really could not take along. I don't think I could afford, like, there's really no way I can get confirmation. Like this 1 minute confirmation? Nah, I don't know if that's enough. I don't know if that's enough, man. He has tapped into the higher up 15 minute. If anything, I would look for a short. Like, I don't know. I don't want to go against this. Did we reach the previous week low? We did take the previous week's low. We did take the previous week's low, but like I don't know how someone is meant along this. 2 minute fair value gap, 2 minute inversion, reinverse. If this gets to become a bullish order block, I mean maybe. Five-minute inverse. If anything, this is just gonna go lower. Watching the 2 minute chart. Yeah, I went back to the 15-minute inversion. I kind of like the red and green, guys. You guys like the red and green? I think it's pretty solid. It's so simple. Ooh, look at that. What do you guys think about that? That looks so bad. I like how the fair value gap looks though. The lines. What if instead of green and red, we like blue and purple, yellow and purple, or lighter? I don't know. Good question. I think I like darker. Like, doesn't that look cool? You don't even need borders. You don't even need wicks. You know what? You don't even need candles. Trade like this. Max focus, bro. This looks like a freaking video game. Yep. Obviously, you're long. Can't you see? 2 minutes for value gap, 1 minute inversion. I like this. Red and white is pretty cool. You know what I always thought about? Gray bearish, white bullish with dark gray navy black would be great. You said gray bearish, white bullish with dark navy? Gray bearish like this? Dark navy? Like the trading view background, you mean? Like that? Change Wix color to what, black? Oh, that. Oh, that can't be right. Well, what would the Wix color be? Oh, same color as the. What about the border? Borders or nah? Okay, those candles look nice. Those candles are nice. Let's standard deviations doesn't look too good. Yo, hold on. I'm transforming my trading right now. This is what I need. Keep going, bro. Drop me the gems. Ooh, white standard deviations? Like that. I like white standard deviations. Nice. Okay. Okay, this is not bad. You said background can be quite dark, second black from top right color menu. Yeah, it's not bad. I think like that's not bad. What do you think about this? Maybe, maybe. Oh wait, maybe inverted PPR. Less strain, yeah. And then wait, you know what I can do? Should I make my trading view? Uh, no, right? That looks bad. That looks bad. Hmm. Hmm. I like this. Can't tell. Mm. Sandbox. I like how everything looks transparent in the background. Oh, the P&L tool. Let's see that. Long. So we can't use black and red anymore. Let's just do green and red. Yeah, that looks good. Is this me though? Is this me? Hmm. I don't know. What do you think? I don't know. Looks dope, you think? Not bad. I like how everything looks. Hold on, let's see what the lines look like. I have to draw all white lines. Blue and gray P&L. Try that. Blue and gray. It has to be a light gray, right? Yeah, that's not bad. Not bad. All my lines would have to be white. So like white with white text. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Yo, maybe I'll rock with this. It feels like I'm missing something. Like my chart looks so like empty. Am I missing something? Where's the watermark? I like how. Yeah, I guess it's pretty cool. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I'll mess around with it. Maybe some. Maybe some grid lines. 5% grid lines. What does that do though? Oh, show the time. I don't really like the grid lines though. What if the background was a gradient? Nah, it's us. I don't know. I don't know. Price line is missing. Oh, maybe that's what it is. Price line. Price line. Where is it? Symbol? Oh, it's this? Oh, line. Value, line, and name. I don't need name, I just need the line. Okay, we can do that. I don't know, maybe I'll just mess around with it on my own time. For some back testing too, like I want to mess around with it. Make sure like I don't get bored of the colors. This is not bad though, actually. This looks pretty good. Let me make that line. Yeah, thinner. We can make it more. Yeah, we can even do 100%. Yeah, I think that's might get in the way. What if we did blue? Nah, I think let's keep it white. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Plus button, what's that? Scaled and placement. Go slight crosshair. Really no need for a crosshair though. I think we can do a slight crosshair. What do you think about the grid lines? I don't know if I should have them. They don't really do anything, so it would just be lines for no reason really. You could get rid of all that. Indicators. Title. Just get rid of all that. Values. Really clean. I think the lines look nicer. Looks clean. Looks pretty clean, but yeah, it looks pretty clean. I mean, I have to get used to it. I think I'll do some back testing with this. It's pleasing, you know? Does that make sense? It's pleasing to look at a little bit. Let's get like 10% on these grid lines. We could also do like you think it looks better with the grid lines? I think they're maybe 5%, 3%. How they look on that monitor. Nah, but I don't use grid. Yeah, I mean, they don't really do anything for me. They would literally just be there. Horizontal grids. Horizontal is not bad because like you can see the price level is 540. But I'm gonna have a bunch of lines on my chart. This is ridiculous if someone trades like that. Not bad actually. This is what happens when you go on a looting streak, huh? Start doing shit like this. Hold on. Let's mark on S&P, see what it would look like. Ooh. Wait, where is it? Pretty clean. Pretty clean. I think the status line is a little. I don't know if I want that status line. I think value is good. But I think to like have it going over and over again is pretty. Starting the lunch macro, we could start to retrace according to my beautiful standard deviations. And then what we can do is put a like this one blue. Cool. Maybe on my combine I'll look for one. Oh, that looks cool. Probably won't look for any setups. I would expect TGIF to be hit. I don't think the weekly candle will close at this low. So probably higher. But it's gonna be hard to frame a trade. Because like we're just gonna have an hourly bearish value gap, so you could target that, I guess. Could also keep going. If you hit the negative standard deviation, though, let's remove the executions. We didn't even hit -1. 15-minute time frame is probably cleaner, so we just about hit 1 standard deviation. I mean, we basically had a full AMD, right? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Pick out the equal highs. It's always so clean in hindsight, bro. Like, it's so clean in hindsight. Maybe the highs. It's always so easy in hindsight. Like, you passed your 100K? Nice, man. I'm messing around with different chart colors because I lost. It's always so simple with tapping into the rejection block there. 930. There's your highs. Rejection block. Even if you just did this. I don't know if I like I'd have to use like red lines or something to mark out. Because when I use white it gets too blends in too nicely. I don't know. I have to mess around with the colors a bit. Not bad. Not bad. The hindsight study, this looks really clean. Value gap there isn't there. We even oh yeah, we marked this out. It's best 15-minute fair value gap. But compare this and this. Oh, I still have to journal. I really don't want to, but let's do it. Let's just do it quickly. I will journal quickly. With the trade that we took. Please share the settings. You like this? You like this color? Hey man, if you like them, I'll send them. I'm still kind of messing around with it. Like I'm trying to find what I want to use. You like it? It's pretty cool, right? It's good to find something that you like. This is the long that I took. I took a long, where was it? Right here. This candle. Stop loss was right there. Looking for this. We'll just go with the green and red for this. Yeah, this was the long I took. So I'll note this. I'll share the settings. Do you want to just message me? Cause I'm not gonna. I don't want to post it for the whole Discord in case I don't use it. Uh, Candles. I'll show you the canvas. It's just the most. Ooh, looks pretty good too, don't you think? It's not bad. But now I can use black. Oh, not really. This one's not bad. But this one, and then we could do. I don't know. The black is kind of nice. This is the long I took. I've taken better trades, but I will journal it. Lost. Journal this. Friday, September 06. What was the timing on that trade? 10:08 to 10:12. Yeah, we need to do better, man. We need to do better. I gotta get like stop thinking about the money and just trade better. 1008, 1012. Minus 242, right? 27. Oh, shouldn't have went in with 3 micros. It looked like a 932. There's 10 handle back. Close macro delivery. Below midnight on 8:30. Entry PDA. Yeah, it's 15-second. Right? It was the order block that we entered off of. Like 15-second FEG. That's where we really went wrong. Confluences, SMT. That's literally the only confluence. Trade management, none. Observations. We did not inverse the M1 FEG and failed. That's why you have to wait for the close. Seriously, be more patient. Yeah, I shouldn't have went long. It's pretty much the main thing. Yeah. Yeah. Gotta do better, man. Gotta do better. That's all. That's all it is. Got to do better. It's hard, yo, when you get like fucked over a couple times. Like that one time, the toss up executions were down, so we didn't get to execute that win. Yesterday, we got manipulated out, and that messed with my mental, and we didn't look for the re-entry, and it played out full TPs. This was just bad. Like it's always just dumb, you know? It's like always the little things that are not little, but I don't need to save this. 227. One trade. Yeah, we'll have to step it up. We gotta step it up. There's no more excuses. No more excuses. We'll do some back testing, refine some things. I'm gonna post this in the Discord, and then I'm gonna end the stream. So if anyone has questions, now would be a good time. Well, time to close the charts. What's happened since then? Yeah, not much. We're very bearish. Gold, not much as well. Tesla sunk $13. Well, appreciate everyone joining the live stream this week. We'll be live every day next week. We'll see you guys next week. If I find good chart settings, I'll make a video. But for now, I'm just gonna do a lot of journaling and a lot of back testing. So I'm gonna see you guys next week. Wang, Jerry, appreciate you, brother, as always. Gagan, appreciate you. Jello, Nicole, Matt, Matthew, Piyush, Adam, C3. See you guys next week. Peace.